Welcome to Lesson 6 Introductions to Microsoft Excel Interface. In these lessons, we'll explore the Excel workspace step by step. By the end, you will know how to navigate the interface, understand the ribbon, use tabs and groups, work with worksheet, and customize your Excel environment. If Excel feels overwhelming at first, don't worry. Today, we'll break everything down into clear, simple parts with practical example. Okay? So, when you open when you first open Excel, you'll see the start screens. Okay? So these screens gives you quick options. So like the first one is the blank workbook. Like this often are new empty spreadsheets, and here the recent files. So here quick access to your recent work, and the another one is the templates. So this is pre-designed sheets, like you can find the budget or like calendars, invoice and reports. Okay, so for example, like imagine you are or like you want to create a monthly budget, and instead of buildings from scratch, you can choose budget templates right here. So like go to our personal monthly budgets, like this one, and now let's click over here and now create it. And this is the personal budget is customized one, so that saves times and gives you a professional layout instantly. Okay, so and there sits over there. Or for now, let's close it, or let's go to and let's start with the blank workbook to you see the interface clearly. Okay, so and now here we are in the our new workbook, and once the workbook opens, let's look at the main parts of the Excel window. Okay, so the first one is the title bar. So here and at the very top, and it shows the file names like book 1, and it also has buttons to minimize and also the maximize or and close it. Like you can find it over here, like this is the or minimize or maximize, and also the close it over here. And next one is the or quick access toolbar. Okay, so here usually in the top left, and it holds shortcuts key like the save and also the undo and redo. So for example, if you accidentally delete a number, the undo buttons here saves you instantly. So like here, if I gonna say something like let's say the 12 13, let's say the 15, now I want to remove or undo it. So by using the undo, now it comes with like this way. Next one is the ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon here and the white brand with tabs such as the home, inserts and draw page layout, formulas and more. So this is where most commands live. And the next one is the formula bar. Okay, so here just below the ribbon, and this shows the contents of or formula inside the selected cells. Okay, so for example, let's say if I type in here, like if I gonna type like sum, and let's try to find out something like this one, like F4 to F5, and close it, and the results might be like or like here we have find the 25, but the formula bars in there will display the formula itself. Okay, so here the difference of them, here 25, but click over here and shows up this the here the formula itself. Okay, and the number 5, there is the worksheet area. So the grid of rows and columns where we import the data. So you can type something, the serial number, you can type it, you can use something here, the or let's say the this one word, or let's say 1 2 3 4 etc and so more. This is the or worksheet. And the next one is the sheet tab. Okay, so here and at the like bottoms to switch between multiple sheets in one workbook. Like here, this is the sheet 1. If I do have the another sheets like sheet 1 and sheet 2, you can easily switch in there. Okay, and the next one is the status bar. So the status bar you can see in there, and at the bottoms of Excel it shows like shows details like average, count, or sum of selected number. So let's say if I select like that this one, you can now see it shows up the average, counts the totals number, and this is the adds up all the number. Okay, so this layout may seems like a lot, but with practice you will naturally know where everything is. Okay, and now let's move into the ribbon, tabs, and groups. Okay, or like let's explore the ribbon more deeply. So each tabs contain groups of related commands. So like here in the home tab, your most frequently used command, and in here you'll find the clipboard with the copy or cut, paste, and format painters. And the next one is the font. It's contain like the bold, italicize, and also the colors and more. And into the alignment, so this is the center, like center alignment or alignment left, alignment centers, and also the here you'll find also the merge centers and wrap text with these options. And the number would or number formatting like currency and percentage, and also the editings like you'll find here tools like shorts and filters. Okay, so suppose you are making a sales report. Okay, so you can bold the column headers. So let's say before that, so let's select it and let's undo it over here, and let's delete it for now, or press the delete to delete all like that. That's one. And now let's little bit make it the zoom in, and let's say or we can now give here the serial number, let's say the product, or let's go with the product name, and let's say it will be the prices. Okay, so and here we have this one. Now you can bold the column headers, like if I'm gonna select all of them and just click on the bold with the fonts group. Okay, and format sales number into the currency. So like here if I do have the product's name, let's say the X, we're gonna say the Y, and let's say the or like Y, and let's say the G. Okay, so now let's say the price is the 15, so let's say the 14, and let's say the 16. So now we want to convert this one into the currency. So like here let's select and change this one with the currency, like we can go to and use the this currency, and that is comes with the currency. And also in or in here you will also align everything neatly or neatly without leaving the home tabs. Okay, so we are here, if I'm gonna now select it and align into the center alignment. Okay, and the next one, like next steps, is the inserts. So let's you add charts and also the tables image or also the shapes. Okay, so if you highlight sales data and also if or let's go with that before that, so let's go to like let's say, and you can highlight this data and also sales data and click on the inserts and now click on the column charts. So let's say we're gonna want to use something the column charts over here, and Excel creates a visual instantly. So and that's it. Okay, and the next one is like we'll find the page layout tabs. Like here controls the like the margins and also the orientations and also the themes. Okay, so or like in over here there we have the different themes and examples. Like before printing a budget report, you can switch the layout to landscapes so it fits nicely on a page. Like here if I'm gonna go to and let's say the or print or let's go with the print area. So let's say use the print area and or if I do have like the landscapes, so it will comes in the there over here. Okay, and that's it. Now let's move into the formula. Like the formula tabs are powerful sections for our calculations. So for like here we have the auto sums and also the insert functions and named range. And the next one is like if you need average test score or if you now try to find out the average of this price, so you use the average functions here. Like if I'm gonna say let's go with the average and let's go with and let's try to do with the average functions and that's it. So here got it the average of these prices. Okay, and next tab is the data tabs. So great for sortings, filterings and importing data. So imagine you have the 500 rows of customers data. With one click you can filter out only the customers from the New York cities or like over here. So or like if I do have or if I want to filter out, so just easily click over here and we can easily filter out from there. Okay, and the next one is the review. So include like spell checks, comments and also the protections. And the next one is the view, like changes the or how you looks at your sheets, like zoom and also the freeze pens and grid lines are here. Okay, so like here if I go to and now it comes like this way. So if I gonna now try to use it and that's it, here you can print it like the that's one. So and that's it. And now understanding the ribbon is like learning the dashboard of a car. Once you know where things are, you can drive Excel with confidence. And now let's focus on the grid itself, the heart of Excel. So the first one is column, like these are labeled with letters like A, B, C, D, E, F or like the blah blah blah. Okay, and rows are numbered with the or number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like each boxes is or each box is a cell. Okay, so like there's one and like or identify by its addresses. For example, or if I click over like the E3, so it means columns is like E and row is 3. Okay, so here row is 3 and column is the E. Okay, and like if you type something into, like, let's say the name into the A1, and age, let's say gonna do with the age over here. So you are, or you have already started a simple database. Okay, so cells can hold like the text and numbers or formulas with and also formatting, and you can make your data stands out. Okay, so and that's it with the simple examples. And and at the bottom you'll see the sheets tabs like sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. You can add new sheets with the plus icons. Like if I want to you or want another sheets, just click on the plus icon to add the or the new sheets over here. And also rename sheets by double clicking its tabs, like changing, or just say the sheet 1 into the budget. Let's go with. And also you can use this one, the, like we can just say the data, something like the there's one. Okay, you can also move, delete, or color code sheets. So for, like, we can do for examples, or let's go with an examples. Like in a SQL database, you can, or you might have one sheets for students and another sheets like for teachers. And like if I gonna click, or let's go with, and let's say, so this is, or let's go, this is for the students, or students data, like the this one. And we can rename it by double clicking, and we can give here the teachers over here, like the this one. And another sheets, if I say this is the attendance. Okay, so let's go with and say the attendance. So keeping data organized across sheets makes your file structured. So, and now if I want to change these colors, like I can do right clicking over here, go to the tab colors. So let's say I'm gonna want to use these colors. And for the teachers, so let's say the another colors, let's say we want to use these colors. And for the attendance, so let's say we can give here the another colors, and that's it. And for the budget, let's say we'll keep it as the red colors. Okay, so and that's it. Or if I want to delete like the this budget one, just right clicking over here and click on the delete, and now it's deleted to, or confirm it by for the delete. Okay, so and that's it. And now customizing Excel interface. So Excel lets you personalize your workspace. So add shortcuts to the quick access toolbars, or by, like, if you working or small screens, collapsing the ribbons gives you more room for data. Like before that, so let's add it with the, or now let's, or customize, and let's, we have the new, or new options to quick access toolbars, or takes out for like the up hands, or let's say we want to check out for the emails, and that's it. Or we want to, or keep like something like the another one, print and preview. So and that's it. And now the collapse the ribbons to get more screen space. So you can do, like we can go to over here, or let's use it and collapse the ribbons, and that's it. And we will get, or we have now the more space over here. Or right click, or I can do, so just click over and takes out, or checks out the collapse the ribbon. Okay, so and that's it. And also you can change the theme color, or switch between the normals over there. And also we have the page layout, or like page layouts with, like we can find the page layouts over here, and this is the normal one. or you can find the page layout with something, or you gonna do with the page or page break preview. Okay, so and that's it. We have the page break preview. I can easily increase like the this one, or if I do have something like the over here, and there's it. We have like the there's one. Or let's move into the normal views. Okay, so let's apply everything we have learned with small demo. So the first step is, so let's open the blank workbook by clicking the blank workbook, and now in cell, so let's type something. Let's go with it, right here the item, and B1 type quantity. So let's go to, and in C1 type the price. Okay, and now fill the same row or some row like apple, or we're gonna do like here, let's say the apple like this one, and let's say the 10, and let's say the 2. Okay, and the another one, let's say the banana, for let's go with the banana, and say the 15, and let's say the 1.5. Okay, and the another one, let's say the orange, and that's it. Or I can do 20, and let's say the 3. Okay, so now we can do highlight the or headers row, and also and bold it, and let's make it the bold, and let's align it into the center text. Okay, so and that's it. Now format the price columns to the currency by selecting, and we can now use this one as the currencies over here, or let's go to and use this one as the currency. And now insert a formula like the D2, or over here let's say the D2, and let's say the equal, then let's say the B, or like here B, or multiplications by the or C2, and to calculate the total, and then press the enter. Now copy down for the others row, so like that, there's one, and that's it. And insert a charts like we can do by highlighting, or highlight the items and the totals like over here, or go to like that, there's one. And also, or we have like, or we can do, so this is the totals, or let's say we can call it the total. And now highlights with the control key like items and totals. Now go to the insert tabs and click on the column charts. Okay, so let's go to, and we have the column charts. So in just a few minutes you have created a mini sales report with formatting, formulas, and charts. So today we explored the Microsoft Excel interface in details. We covered the start screens and blank workbook, and also the Excel Windows layout like the title bar, and also the ribbon before that. So let's make it, or if I'm gonna go to, and let's, or we have like the there's one, and we have the ribbons, and also the formula bar and status bars in there, and tabs and groups in the ribbon, and rows, and also the columns, and also the cells. Okay, and worksheets, and also sheets management, and customize the interface. And finally practical examples, so tying everything together. So these foundations will make the rest of your Excel journey smoother. In our next lessons we will dive into basics Excel formulas and functions, the true power of Excel. Thanks for joining me in these lessons. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lessons.